Okay guys, this is a 2021 Ram Rebel Eco Diesel. Clean title, clean history, 3.5-inch lift. It's recently had the def tank replaced, glow plugs, rear axles all been rebuilt by the dealer under factory warranty. Full sticker package. Aftermarket rims and tires. Full leather. Panoramic sunroof. The big screen. So 97,913 on the miles. Adaptive cruise. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. 360 camera, locking diff, downhill descent, 4-wheel drive, wireless phone charging, park assist, lane assist, navigation, different apps, a smart key with remote start, pedal adjust, all weather floor mats, seat looks brand new. Here's your VIN number, power side steps, power folding mirrors. These are also tow mirrors, so they raise up when you're towing. Carbon fiber inserts. Heated seats in the rear, all your power options. Does have your tri-fold bed cover, spray-in bed liner, tires look almost brand new. Does have the Alpine sound system, power sliding rear glass. Showing you that Eco Diesel, super clean. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.